welcome back to my channel. My name is Marissa Hill, and if you have not already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button after the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to hit that notification so that you're alerted every time we're launching a new video. And as well, we always welcome comments, so if you have any questions about anything that we're talking about today, feel free to hit me on the comment section. And if you also have anything that we're talking about in this video, please feel free to hit the comment box with that as well. So today we're doing something different, and I'm super excited about it. We are actually going to be doing a slide haul. So I was able to cop every single Yeezy slide in each colorway. And the three that we have here are the slides that launched back in December. So you may have already seen these colorways. We also are going to unbox today the Earths, which launched this April. So this is a new colorway that we have yet to see. The only thing different here is that the Desert Sands were actually an exclusive on Yeezy Supply, while these three were not. So let's do the unboxing of the Earths, check them out, see what they look like, and then we're gonna go through these colors. And after this, I want you guys to definitely leave your comments. Tell me what colorway you would buy or cop in the slides. I will tell you which ones are my favorite. So let's do this unboxing for the Earth, shall we? Check out these guys, see what they look like. All right. So I love that these are called the Earth because I have the 350s and the Earths, and this is a very similar color. Looks slightly darker, but definitely a earthy brown tone. Almost like a, I don't know, what is this? Like a caramel chocolate brownie of some kind, something like that. And the difference as well with the Earths is that these are a size 8. I ordered most of my slides in a size 7. So typically in Yeezys, I order a size 8. I'm going to show you guys for the on foot how the 8 fits me versus the 7s. But the 8s are a bit wide up here, and I have pretty thin feet. So I had a lot of extra space in this top frontal part of the slide. This one fits me perfect and snug, so when I walk, I don't feel like I'm gonna lose the slide off my foot. This one's a bit too loose, so for me personally, again, I get most of my Yeezys in a size 8, but I actually sized down. My typical shoe size is 7.5 in men, 9 in women's. I got these in 7, and they fit perfect. All right, so let's go through the colorways here. We have already seen the Desert Sands. These were, of course, the most difficult pair of slides to get this time around because, once again, this was a Yeezy exclusive. So this one I put next to the Bones because these colorways online, it's very difficult to tell the difference, I feel like, between the two. So you can kind of see here the Desert Sand. It's a bit more yellow and khaki in tone. This actually reminds me of the linens. This is, I swear to you, the exact colorway as the linens. It's like this oatmeal, kind of creamy, buttery, has a hint of yellow in it, but these are definitely a lighter tone, more of the linen 350 colorway than the Desert Sands. My favorite colorway out of the 4 of these slides is the Resins. I think this color is dope. I've seen it so many different places where it's paired with different colorways that people are wearing. I just think it's different. I'm a fan of green. As you can see, I'm wearing a green hat. This is probably by far one of my favorite colors. It's like almost kind of a army green, I would say. It's, you know, kind of a neutral type of green tone. It's very cool. I think that the cool tones in this will make it easier to pair with different clothing options. This colorway, I'm gonna have to say, is probably my least favorite. I don't know, I'm just not a fan of the brown vibes it's giving me. I'm just like, I don't know. It's all right. And I wasn't sure as well with the silhouette of these shoes. I'm not gonna lie. They didn't look like the most attractive slides when I first saw them online, but then I put it on my foot. Oh my God, I'm about to walk in these like all quarantine day long. Like I want to keep these on my feet forever. They're so freaking comfy. It's just like this extra squish. You feel it immediately when you put your foot into these slides. It's insane. It's like, okay, if I could put a mattress on the bottom of my foot, this is what these slides are giving me. Those are the feels, those are the vibes. So we're gonna take a closer look at this kind of colorway. So, I mean, all of these are the same basically. It's just like there's no differences on the color of the bottom here, on the soles, anything on the inside here. I mean, it's all over the same colorway. So the only difference here, once again, compared to the rest of the slides, is it's a brown color. This is the darkest color in the collection. So I definitely think as far as like tidiness, these ones are gonna be the type of slides you wanna get so that you don't get them as dirty. These ones are also gonna be a little more difficult because they're lighter in shade. But as far as it goes, the Resins, in my opinion, are my #1 cop. But definitely just glad to have all 4 of these pairs of slides for you guys to be able to see next to each other, because once again, sometimes you see these online and the colors are off. But here it is. I have some bright lights on these so you guys can get a strong opinion on which one you would want to cop. All right, so let's get into some resale on these slides. These slides went originally for $55, totally manageable to pay $55 for these slides. I think they're worth every single cent that I paid for them. As far as resale goes, we're going to go through the line, kind of give you guys an idea of, the price points, what's selling the best, and what sizes are selling for the highest price point. I don't know why, but I feel like a lot of people slept on these slides for some reason. Shouldn't have slept on these. Because I think as far as resale value goes, these slides are killing it. We're going to start with the Earths over here. So once again, retail value for these slides, $55, totally manageable. You're not spending too much out of pocket. And as far as like sizing goes, between 15 to size 16, these are going around $140. You are going to more than double your money on these if you decide to resell them. The Resins, which are my favorite, are not doing as well, but if you do like this colorway and you feel like, you missed out on an opportunity, you want to still buy them, it's not that much of a price increase. It's going around $90. As far as all of these silhouettes, I say that the bigger sizes are going to do better. Base sizes are not as high of an increase for the resale on them. For the bones, it's 2 extra money. Pretty much every size is going over $100 right now, so these are doing very well. But I would say out of all the shoes, you're gonna get the most bang for your buck for the Desert Sands. And the reason being, they were Yeezy Supply exclusives. And so they were much more difficult to get. And they're literally, the last sale on StockX for these bad boys was $170. Like, you could have bought a couple of these slides just getting this one. So if you slept on these, sorry, big mistake, big mistake.
Big mistake. Big, huge. I have to go shopping now.
Don't forget, at the end of this, give it a like, hit me up with comments, let me know what your favorite style is. If you have any questions about the sizing, the fit, the feel, let us know. We're here to support you and help you find the best possible slide that works for you. So once again, hit that subscribe, hit that notification, leave a comment, give this a like, and we will see you next time.